8, 9 just now. You counted 1 to 3, 5, 6, 7. 8. I'm high to see if yours is high. Haha, Dad! Hey, here comes Doo-Doo. Here comes Doo-Doo. Which color do you want? The color is green, right? The color is yellow. Well, yellow is called yellow. Swallow well. Ha ha ha. Where do you put it in there? Is Hennon's wound big? It's not big, then take a look. I dismantled it. Where is the wound? Good looking. Wow, what a big red dot, isn't it? Ha 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 ha. At home. It's delicious. Which of these two is delicious? Yum. Dad will give you a taste to see which one is delicious. I'll try this first. So delicious. Daddy will give you a taste of this chicken wing first. Okay. If it's delicious, you can eat more. Okay. Oh, wow. It's delicious. Ha 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 ha. Ah, it smells so good. Oops. Let me see. Wow, Zhao Ya is amazing. Start eating the second one. Haha, it's awesome if you don't open it. Ha ha ha, the doctor is not working. Left and right start. Vegetable special. Talking to me is pretty fast, ha ha ha. Dry rice mode. Summoner summons action. I have 8. Counting 12,345,678 9. Is popcorn duck enough? Not enough, not enough. Eat first. It won't be enough for Dad to add it to you later, not okay? Good. Haha, Dad, no thanks. Thank you. Does Dad need to process this? Okay. Good processing. Shit. Okay. Wow, Ming Ming. Hey, Doo-Doo, Yang Yang. Here comes Doo-Doo. Eat vegetables first. Wow, this is delicious. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you, Dad. You can marry me. You count, 5 tails. Enough, enough, enough. Not enough. In this way, Dad will exchange this one is best for you, okay? Hua Ji was the first to appear. Not bad secret sauce. Birch shrimp, come on. The third shrimp comes in. 4th. Rainbow fart cock. Ahaha. Ha ha ha. The 6th shrimp. Eat the remaining vegetables. Always pick this seaweed. Not easy to knead. Promote the I don't rice bowl and finally play to smoke. To smoke. Signature move. Good, Dad, Miwa. I don't want cake. How many do you want? One by one. Dang, 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 wow. Hey, Nishinoha mushrooms. Chicken brother, dad, dad, dad. Oops, oops. Dad, 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 ha ha ha. My sister is okay. Okay, I love you, Mua, so happy dad, so good cake. Here we go. Ha ha ha, eat vegetables first. Wow, this is delicious. Georgia, Dad put a lot of effort into processing this for you. Chen Laoping. No, you said I can't process it? Ha ha ha. Haha, signature move. I'm so tall. Just changed mode. Great, Mom. It's not enough to give you another one. Is it enough? Happy enough. I have a good waist. Hey, Doo-Doo Sprouts. Here comes Doo-Doo. Where do you put it? Put it over here. Okay. Summer, summer. Look at that tree. What's on the tree? And the plane? See the plane? Look at my brother. Is it delicious? Cow. I love you. I'm thirsty. What's wrong? You are thirsty. Well, Dad, can I get you some milk to drink? Happy. Shauxia has always been and child milk with a cow. Their family specializes in a 2 milk in China. The main 2 milk is better absorbed than ordinary milk. Only raw milk. And kiss the baby belly. Tastes sweet and delicious. No milky smell. Sha also likes to drink vegetables. Wow, this is delicious. Go, go, go. Hold action. Dry hair mode. Can't waste it all. Uh-oh, this is delicious. Oops, no. Yum. If it doesn't taste good, you can give it to your brother. Well, are you good or bad? Love you.